Yo, today's the day after Christmas, so I hope you all had a lovely holiday if you celebrated it. Today we are starting off with Earn by Time. Current rate is, there's peak pay actually. Current rate is $18 an hour. And this first order is a stack actually. This is going to two different people. We've got McDonald's going 7 miles total.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Hi, I had 2 DoorDash pickups. Hello? Hello? Oh, there's no one at the speaker, so I didn't know if it was open or not.
We're not.
Okay. Is that new, or is that just today?
Just today, because we have to like reopen because we were closed yesterday.
Okay, gotcha.
Sorry about that.
Apparently they're not open. I mean, these orders were probably trash, but now what? Well, it said I was getting half pay for those orders, whatever that may be. I don't know because the app is freaking out. It could be because the service is kind of wacky for me here, but I'll update it whenever something happens. Bro, what is this order? We got red leaf organic coffee. This one is going 7 miles. It's only one item. Thank you. Oh, I forgot how far away this was going. And I need a pin. Why are you doing this to me? Total for that was $11 and change. I mean, that's okay, except I'm pretty much in a different town. So, yeah, I gotta drive most of the way back. Unless I get something while I'm here. Or, best case scenario, I get something from here that's going back into my zone. But that's like 99% not gonna happen because it's usually the other way around. Slowly making it back into my zone, and, well, they gave me one that's bringing me deeper into it, so I guess that's a plus. Probably the only plus on this order. But we got a Taco Bell going 7 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your name or 4-digit code to earn rewards points today?
Hi, it was for Emily.
Yeah, they also gave me the one for Ryan. Do you want me to circle back around?
Yes,
Yeah.
that one just popped.
Yeah, I got it just
and
now.
We're waiting on the chicken strip.
Gotcha.
Thank you so
Yep,
much.
I'll be right back. Yeah, I got that add-on as I was sitting there waiting for this one. And someone pulled up behind me, so we're just circling around. I believe this one's adding 1 mile to this stack. There's drinks on it. Yeah, there's 2 drinks.
Sorry about that. I thought you would already gave it to me.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Okay, yeah, it did only give me peak pay for those few minutes that I was sitting around. Total for that stack was $22. Okay, not bad. And it's got this really high mileage order right away. Guess that's all we're doing today. This is a Mr. Maple Donuts going 8 miles.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Total for that one was $17. Okay, not terrible, but I do have to drive most of the way back. Well, I got back into my zone and we were ahead of schedule by like half an hour. But since that last order, it's been about half an hour and still haven't received the next order, so that's pretty terrible. Been another 10 minutes since that last clip and finally got the next order. This is an IHOP, $8 going 3 miles. Got the next order right after this. It is a shop and deliver. I think it said Walgreens. $10 going 3 miles, 3 items. Got this order right away. It is a Starbucks. This one is going 2 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Total for that order was $6 and got the next one right away. This is Burgerville going 3.5 miles. He just gave me an add-on order for habaneros. This one is going an extra 3 miles. Last time I was there, I got that contract violation and it says it's still being under review. It's been over a month, by the way. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Okay, that was a bit of a wait at the second restaurant, but does it warrant the first customer to start messaging me about it? You guys let me know, because they just did. Total for that stack was $16. They both only tipped like $1, so that was pretty bad actually. Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. I believe this is alcohol. This is $12 going 5.5 miles, only 2 items. I believe it's the black velvet, the bottom one.
Okay. Just that $7.50? Is that the size?
Yes.
Okay.
And then this other one says it's at a customer service. It might be, because I didn't see it. Do you know?
$7.50, I might be... Oh, no, I still have one.
Oh, is it in there?
It's just a little hit.
Oh, there it is. Gotcha.
Little...
All right, time to start heading home. Current time is 10:10. Current total is like 88. And I'm waiting on a couple of tips, so I'll throw up the total whenever that comes in. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.